surely we would expect there to be aggregate social effects as a result, right? I mean, the birth control thing is, again, it's a live issue and it's a hot issue and it's one that people are scared to talk about actually. But there are, like we've said already, like you interfere in people's hormonal systems, you have fundamental effects on their entire bodies, right? I mean, you have hormone receptors on basically every cell in your body. Taking a synthetic estrogen as a contraceptive or synthetic female hormone isn't just going to have an effect on your womb. It's going to have effects throughout the body as a woman. So one of the studies, there's a very interesting study that I talk about in the book, which is a recent study that showed that girls and women who go on hormonal contraceptive experience thinning of a particular part of the brain called the what's it called? And so they did MRI scans basically, and they showed that yeah, if you go on the hormonal contraceptive, it thins the ventromedial prefrontal cortex. Well, what does the ventromedial prefrontal cortex do? It's involved in fear regulation and emotional processing. It's involved in executive control, related to emotions. Uh, and what happens as well, what they also showed, I think, if I remember correctly, is that if you go on hormonal contraception as a teenage girl, as so many girls do now, and they go on it not only, not to get pregnant, but also actually because for acne control, millions of girls get put on hormonal contraceptives as a matter of course. But what happens is if you stay on them past a certain age, you can come off and the thinning that's taken place in the brain never goes away. So tens of millions of women, I mean, I like hundreds of millions of women worldwide are on hormonal contraceptives and they're thinning their brains. They're actually thinning this critical region that's involved with emotional processing and fear regulation and executive control. Surely we would expect there to be aggregate social effects as a result, right?